Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be making some chicken nuggets. The kids are out of school and I figure let's make a quick snack for them. Let's get into it. Alright guys, let's take a quick look at the ingredients. Here I have some ground chicken, cornstarch, fresh green seasoning, garlic and onion powder, seasoned salt, chicken bouillon and black pepper. So basically you just want to combine all the ingredients, mix very well and set aside. Next you want to go ahead and form your chicken nuggets in whatever shape you like. Remember, they do not have to be perfect. These are homemade, not factory made. Once you're done, you want to freeze them for about an hour so they can firm up and become easier to manage. Next, I have here some garlic and onion powder, black pepper, chicken bouillon, seasoned salt, cornstarch, and all-purpose flour. Mix that well to combine and set aside. Next, you want to go ahead and coat the chicken nuggets into the flour, and you want to repeat this process with all of them. And you're probably wondering what I'm doing with water there. Well, just because we're not using any eggs or batter, the water will be used to add a second coating to the chicken nuggets, and that will help to make it nice and crispy. So we are going to dip them into the flour one time, then we're going to dip them into the water, back into the flour, and you're going to repeat that process until you're all done. And you won't need any eggs or butter here. The water will be just fine. Here I have some oil preheating, and we're going to go ahead and fry our chicken nuggets for about 5 to 8 minutes or so. Once they're brown on one side, you want to flip them over and allow them to brown on the other side. And yeah, once they reach your desired brownness, you will just remove them, set them aside, and carry on with the same step until you're all done. Once done, I placed them on a wire rack to drain, and then I proceeded to make a quick sauce to dip them in. So here I added some ranch dressing, some mustard, sriracha hot sauce for that spicy kick. I added some ketchup and a little bit of honey. Mix everything well to combine, and that's it. Quick, easy, and simple. And here you have it, my version of the most delicious, flavorful, and crispy chicken nuggets. If you can't eat eggs, this is the perfect recipe for you. I enjoyed it. I almost got carried away and ate the entire thing out and forgot that I made it for the kids. So this is just me enjoying the chicken nuggets. Like I said, it was absolutely divine. And then I took it to the kids and they also enjoyed it. So like I said, give the recipe a try for me and let me know what you guys think. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description or the caption, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching and enjoy.